Hello everyone, in this video we'll know about how can we stabilize any videos in DaVinci Resolve 20. So you can see this is a video. This video is too much shaky, you can see. So how can we stabilize this video? So this is very simple in DaVinci Resolve. So you have to select the video and go to the inspector, and this is the inspector tab. If here you can see so much thing, so you have to scroll down where you can see stabilization, and you can just click stabilize. You can see the video is stabilized now. It is so stable now, and here you can adjust some settings. Here you can see there are three modes here: similarity and transition. And you can see there is camera lock. This camera lock is not for this. The camera lock is for tripod and mobile stand. You can see when I check the camera lock, the video is kind of messed up, and it's just horrible. So uncheck the camera lock and stabilize again, and see your video is done. It's so much stable. Thank you for watching.